Hello, hello, hello. This is your teacher Randy again. Welcome to our English class. Before we're going to start our class, let's sing and dance. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the meadow is flying high. In the garden is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the meadow is flying high. In the garden is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Fly, 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 the butterfly. In the meadow is flying high. In the garden is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly. Okay, very good. Now let's start our class. Now, our lesson for today is all about natures. I will say nature. Again, nature. Okay, very good. What are those nature? Okay, let's start with rain. Rain. What is it? Rain. Very good. Next, river. 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 Okay, what is it? River. Very good. Next, waterfall. Waterfall. What is it? Waterfall. Very good. Next, mountain. Mountain. What is it? Mountain. Okay. Grass. Grass. What is it? Grass. Yes, it's a grass. Okay, next, rocks. What are they? Rocks. Again, rocks. Okay, flowers. 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 Next, rainbow. 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 What is it? Rainbow. Very good. Okay, what are those? They are nature. They are part of the nature. Rain, river, waterfall, mountain, grass, rocks, flowers, rainbow. They are part of the nature. Okay, very good. Okay, now what we're going to do next is we're going to connect the pictures to its word. Okay, let's get started. What is this? Rain. What is it? Rain. Okay, where is the word for rain? Okay, very good. There is it. Rain. Okay, let's spell rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Okay. River. River. What is it? River. Where is the word for river? Okay, there is it. Let's spell river. R-I-V-E-R. River. Okay. Waterfall. Waterfall. Okay, let's spell waterfall. G. There is it. Okay, W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L. Waterfall. Okay. Next, mountain. What is this? Mountain. Okay, where's the word for mountain? Okay, let's spell mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Okay, very good. Okay, our next pictures. Grass. Grass. Okay, where is the word for grass? Okay, very good. There is it. Let's spell grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Okay, very good. Rocks. Rocks. Okay, let's connect rocks. Okay, there is it. Let's spell R-O-C-K-S. Rocks. Flowers. Flowers. Where is the word for flowers? Okay, there is it. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Flowers. Next, rainbow. Rainbow. Okay, there is it. Okay, let's spell R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Rainbow. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's review our pictures. Okay, flowers. Flowers. Grass. Grass. Rocks. Rocks. Rainbow. Rainbow. Rain. Rain. River. River. Mountain. Mountain. Waterfall. Waterfall. Okay, what is it? Grass. Very good. What is it? Rocks. Very good. What is it? Rainbow. Very good. What is it? Rain. Very good. What is it? Flowers. Very good. What is it? River. Very good. What is it? Mountain. Very good. What is it? Waterfall. Very good. Okay, that's all for today, students. See you next time. Bye-bye.